Explore your options for fall classes at Lake Michigan College. We've developed 5-course delivery options to keep you safe and on track for fall. Flexible Learning Environment, FLE. Interact with your professors and classmates from home by webcam during regularly scheduled class sessions. Or, if you'd prefer, you can watch recorded class sessions online on your own time. Online. Get all your instruction online on your own schedule. Hybrid Remote. Learn online on your own schedule, but with some remote sessions with your professors and classmates during scheduled days and times. Remote. Attend class by webcam with your professors and classmates on scheduled days and times. Hybrid face-to-face. Some classes require hands-on learning like art, healthcare, science, winemaking, and manufacturing. Much of your instruction will be delivered online, but there will be some sessions scheduled on campus and in person. They'll be held in small groups with everyone following protocols that maximize safety. Visit lakemichigancollege.edu/flexible to learn more.